49.5-inch high-speed surface cleaning, cleaning the wash bay out. This is pretty much one of the fastest pressure cleaning systems in the industry. It's actually being powered by a 3,500 PSI 9-gallon a minute hot water power washer. That's part of our trash bin cleaning system, or wheelie bin cleaner here. So basically you can see the results of our trailer packages. Our gold and platinum plus also have the inlet hose reel, which we're feeding the trailer with to fill the supply tank. It has a wastewater recovery and filtration system. You see your commercial cleaning capability. That's an insane amount of speed. That could be hundreds of dollars an hour, literally, when it comes to being able to power wash interior, exterior. We do have back recovery, recycling available, so we do have the capabilities of being able to recover the wastewater back to the trailer and filter it. For more information about all our cleaning solutions, wheelie bin cleaners, truck wash system, drive-through truck washes that we manufacture. We're also a chemical manufacturing facility. We do commercial pressure cleaning systems, and we